Hey guys, James in Vegas here, and this has been a long time coming, and you have to excuse me, I'm hand holding my phone as usual. But I just finished breakfast and haven't even done the dishes. I'll show you that too, so you can see that, it does get messy if you're not careful. But I just finished breakfast, just finished eating it, and I decided I was going to give you a video update of my studio apartment. I know you guys have been waiting for this. It's going to be a little brief, I guess, but I have a lot of changes. The biggest one's going to be the bed. I don't have the Murphy bed anymore, but let me turn the camera around here and get showing you. Hang on. Okay guys, so first thing I'm going to show you is the toilet area. Actually, no, let me start with this. I don't think I had this before. So I put some shoe storage on the door here. And yeah, I don't have many shoes. I don't really need that many shoes, but yeah, I have room for expansion. Got my little hat hook there, my little work backpack. But I think one of the big changes I made was in the toilet area. So as it comes, the toilet doesn't have a light up there. So I actually bought this cover to replace the cover that was there. And it has an LED light, and it's literally just a plug and play into an outlet in there. And just so you know, I have links in the description below and to some like different reviews and different videos, and also where you can purchase it on Amazon, because I do get a affiliate commission, very small. So if you do buy anything from my links, you'll help out this channel. So, I mean, lighting that up, if you don't live here right now, then yeah, you may not be aware of how dark and dim it is when you're in the CR or toilet area. I'm calling it CR because my fiance is Filipinas. She's a Filipina, so that's what they call it there. So I added a light. I also added a bidet. Now it's a cold bidet, but it's a bidet nonetheless, After that pandemic we had, I just was not going to run out of toilet paper, and besides, when I started using a bidet again, it definitely made sense. Okay, so let me go over to the kitchen area, and there's a lot of changes over here too. So I added some baskets. I don't know if they're called baskets or hanging nets. Some hanging nets, and I just finished. So I have onion, garlic, and potatoes usually in these. And I just cooked a bunch. I also added some hanging utensils, so I do cook a lot. If you don't remember from before, I do cook a lot, so I have different silicone spatulas and brushes. Added a nice green plant, and then you see my water filter here. That's always been here. I did upgrade my air filter, and there's my dirty dishes. I did upgrade my air filter, so my air filter is actually automated, so it's a smart air filter, and my Amazon device can control it. So let me show you real quick. Alexa, set the filter speed to high.
Okay.
And there you go, it's high. Alexa, set the filter speed to low.
Okay.
And there's low. Really simple. I also, nothing's really changed up here. Still have a lot of booze, a lot of decorations and stuff. Did put a little whiteboard there for just some notes and budgeting and stuff. I added a little toaster oven / air fryer, which is also a smart device. I can control it with my voice through my Amazon device. I have some plants here that aren't really growing because I discovered we don't have much light on this side. I'm on the north side of the building. Back here, that little black puck right there is actually a Wi-Fi universal remote control, and I have that programmed to control my air conditioner. Voice, of course. Alexa, turn on the air con.
Okay.
So now you'll see that, and here the air conditioner's on. Alexa, turn off the air con.
Okay.
All right, so I added a couple of shelves. It's a little messy because it has my daily stuff on there. And there's also one over here. Alexa, stop. There's also one over here. Just right now it's kind of messy. I got some projects going on here. But yeah, the bed. So before I had a Murphy bed, and since my fiance is so little, and she'll be hopefully coming here sometime next month, since she's so little, she wouldn't be able to lift the Murphy bed. I didn't have enough spring tensioners or counterweight or anything like that to really get it to work for her. So I went ahead and I got a regular, I think this is a full-size bed, and it fits really good in the space, so I'm not upset with it. Also added a little dresser, and this is also a smart diffuser, so it'll turn on with my voice control as well, and just do essential oils. Over here, again, that's my hamper, and just some more projects I have going on. Now this here is new as well. This is a what do you call it? Like a microwave cart. I was going to use it for the oven, but I like the oven over there better. So I decided to put my cutting board on there for when I cook, I can move it around like an island. I added a couple of elevated dog bowls. Oh, there's my missing sock. My elevated dog bowls, so the vacuum cleaner Consuela, which is underneath the couch there, when she comes out and cleans, I don't have to move Stella's dog food. Let me put that back in place here. Along here, I added a picture of my fiance in one of her countryside houses there. And up here, this is, it's an Amazon air quality sensor. And when it senses like dust or smoke or, air freshener, it'll sense everything, and it'll turn on the air filter over here. Like if I'm cooking as well, it'll turn on the air filter automatically and just start cleaning out the air for that. I will be adding some switches. We have our light switch over here. I'm going to add a dimmer, a smart dimmer, and a light switch there, a smart switch there to be able to be controlled. So that's the air quality sensor. Above that, I have a wireless security camera. It's basically, it's always pointing at the door anyway, but it's mostly for my dog Stella. So it'll let me know, actually my Amazon device will let me know when she's barking, and I can check in on her with the camera and do two-way audio. I also have a new fan. I wanted to get one of these vertical wall-mounted fans just to circulate the air up above, because it's hot up there. I keep the apartment around 74 degrees usually, but it gets warm up there. But that's also a smart device, so I can control it with my voice, and it's really convenient. My whole apartment's automated except for the two lights right now. Alexa, set the fan to center.
Okay.
So it stopped to the center. Alexa, set the fan to turbo.
Okay.
And even on turbo, it's super quiet, which I love about that, but it does blow some decent air. It's not like a normal fan that you're thinking like a desk fan or something, but it does blow some really good air. I think that's about it, really. I mean, I can control my TV by turning it on and off and that sort of thing with my Amazon device. My diffuser, my air conditioner, my oven, which is amazing to be able to do that. It's an oven slash toaster slash air fryer. My air filter. And yeah, oh, and my vacuum cleaner, which is underneath the couch here, underneath the little love seat. So I'm just gonna kind of start from the door again and just give you a quick walk around. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and most of the people who do watch aren't subscribers. And I know I've been neglecting the videos for a while, but they are coming now. There's another Ring camera, by the way, but that one's going away, and because I've replaced it with the black one up here. But more videos are coming, and I'd appreciate it if you do give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe and that sort of thing. And maybe if you found something useful, There is storage down here as well. My pots and pans and things like that. If you found anything here useful, or if you're interested in purchasing anything, go ahead and click on the links below, and I'll get a small commission out of that through my Amazon affiliate link. Seriously though, that's probably one of the best buys I've made so far, just because of the lighting. Oh, and the bidet. Definitely like the bidet. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching, and I appreciate you with your patience on me getting out an updated video. But yeah, this is super cozy, super comfortable, and pretty soon I'm going to have great news, because my Filipina fiance, we're in the final stages, and hopefully she'll be here near the end of September. So pretty excited about that. But again, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for liking and subscribing. And thanks for, everything. I appreciate all your support.